Hey, ladies and gentlemen, lemongrass. I'm no pro at this, but we're going to go get a piece of lemongrass, right? We're going to take it back with us. So let's set up the camera, maybe get one of these pieces right here. This piece looks pretty good. So what I am going to do is I'm going to just get down into the root. I'm going to separate it. Maybe I'll get this piece here, which is a little bit better. And pull out. As long as I get some roots, I'm good. Clean it up. Bring you over to the side. I don't need to have all this. So what I'm going to do is cut it off right here. This is lemongrass. Probably could use the leaves and the stalks. Peel it all off. Now you can start to make your tea and whatnot. You can smell that lemon. Smell it? Clean this up a little. I'm going to put this in water and see if I can regrow it. Many videos online what you can do with lemongrass. You can simply, skip all this and put this in the ground. Or go grab yourself a container. Let it sit in the water. Let it root up. Never know what you can get. Don't need hormone. Lemongrass. Can this grow as well? Well, let's snip off a piece. Let's place it in the water and see if that roots up over time. Thank you very much for viewing lemongrass.